A lot of Amazon KDP course creators will advise you to be using Google Maps commercially for your printable books or ebooks, but it's actually not safe, and that's the purpose of this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a site where you can get maps for your travel guide with no strings attached.
I know some of you might be doubting me, so I decided to open the Google terms of use. Okay, about maps. As you can see, there's a part, okay, concerning the print. They say you may use Google Maps for non-commercial or personal use. Then, inside of books, including textbook, up to 5k copies. Then there's place don't do this. Inside of books, more than 5k copies, use as the core part of printed navigational material. For example, tour books or tour guides. As you can see, it's actually not 100% safe to use Google Maps inside your book. And so this is the website I'm going to show you. It's OpenStreetMap. So you can go to openstreetmap.org. Openstreetmap.org is actually free to use. As you can see, what you just need to do is you provide credit to the person or to the website. That means you put attributions to whatever image that you use in this website. Okay, let's say I want to search for, where do I search? Let's say I want to search for let's search for Brisbane. Brisbane is in Australia. Okay, as you can see, this is Brisbane. In case I want to expand it, I just go to my mouse and just, as you can see, showing different places. It's similar to Google Map. So in case you want to use this, you can actually screenshot it. You can screenshot it using this snipping tool. You can screenshot it, or you can also download it. Just go to this share, then there is download. Once you just click download, it will be downloaded. As you can see, it has been downloaded, but as you can see now, this image is very tiny and it will not be really visible in your book. So just what you need to do is you need to go for the specific place. Let's say you want to do a map for Brisbane City. Instead of doing that style I did, you can just screenshot this. So this Brisbane City, now just go to this snipping to new, then just screenshot this part. If you screenshot this part now, it will be very clear. Then you just do Ctrl S to save it. Then you can name it Brisbane City. So to attribute, you just go to this link, OpenStreetMap. This is your link. So once you copy, you go to the place of, that means your book, and put source. Put the source. Let's also check our copyright. So as you can see, this is OpenStreetMap copyright and license. So how to credit OpenStreetMap? You provide credit to OpenStreetMap by displaying our copyright notice. Then make clear that the data is available under the open database license. Then look at this now. Look at this part. Say in media where links are not possible, e.g. printed works. That means you're allowed to use this in printed works. You put, we suggest you direct your readers to openstreetmap.org. That means, or perhaps expanding the OpenStreetMap to this full address. That is something like this. So this is just what you are meant to do. You are meant to attribute them. That is just it, and you are safe. And that is how to use maps in your travel guide. If you love this video, do it to hit that thumb up right now, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel where I will give you more tips on Amazon KDP. Thanks for watching.